Hi guys, and welcome back to Shreya and Tarot Talks. So, as per the demand on my Instagram channel, everybody wanted, career readings according to your zodiac. So, we are going to start that from this month onwards, career readings according to your zodiac. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram where I share a lot more tricks, a lot more astrological insights, a lot of remedies, a lot of switch words, and they're all free. So, yeah, without doing much more advertising, let me get right into it. This is the career and finance reading for Aries for the month of Feb 2021. All right. So the first card that I have for you guys is number 20, Harvest. So, Harvest tells me, like, for a lot of you people, a lot of Aries people, Sun, Moon, Rising. So don't try to force this reading, if it does not resonate with you, look for any other placements or look for any other sign. So look for your Sun, Moon, Rising to be very specific. So going into the reading with the Harvest card showing up, it's telling me, a lot of you people have initiated something, last month. Possibility for a lot of people, who started things could be around the 14th of January. A lot of you might have started new jobs, a lot of you might have started, maybe a new course, maybe you must have initiated something. So, that seed of initiation has been sowed last month, and now this month in Feb, you are going to be harvesting the fruits of it. So whatever hard work you have done, whatever you have done towards, your particular goal, right now in the month of Feb, you are finally going to be reaping some results out of it. And you're going to be bringing something to the table. For a lot of you people, who did not get bonuses in December because of some reason, there are chances of getting bonuses now. So I do see that, because of those bonuses, you might also be, getting gifts for your people. You might be, buying stuff for your people and for your family. Sorry guys, the cards flew. All right. So the next card that I have for you guys is the Queen of Thames. So Queen of Thames tells me, for a lot of you people, not only specific to the ladies but also for men. I think whatever you have started, whatever you have initiated, despite getting the result of it, you still have a very like non-emotional approach towards, whatever you are achieving or whatever you're getting. So Queen of Thames, a Thames is basically Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords, if you can see clearly, there's a bird outside the window. So this is not really a bird, it's a metaphor and for an opportunity, metaphor for, having a more flexible approach towards, people, being more open to people. But because this energy has showed up, in your reading, it's basically telling me that you're not opening up. There are a lot of, things that are going on in front of you, in your mind, in regards to your business, in regards to your career, in regards to your finances, that you have not shared with anyone, and you are trying to keep a very practical and a very emotionless approach towards whatever it is that is going on. The next card I have for you is the Eight of Themes. So Eight of Wands. So Eight of Wands, it's about easy communication. It's about, not putting in a lot of effort but still getting the result of it. Now, if you see this, Eight of Wands, if you see the card, you actually see, this lady is sitting here, and she is working. So she's going to be doing something with all these wands that are around her. So what this tells me is that, you have the knowledge, you have the passion, you have the understanding of what it is that you want to do. But perhaps because of this particular approach that you have in, your current life right now, or, this sort of energy that you are in right now, there could be some type of, delays. There could be some kind of, um, bumps in the road, which is why, this effortless delivery, or, this effortless process of doing whatever it is could be a little hard. And, at times what this also tells me, despite this becoming very easy, you starting off the month, in terms of being very happy in a very positive approach, but it seems like, towards the middle of the month, or perhaps towards the end, or sometime during the month, you are going to be working alone on a lot of things without a lot of support from the people. The next card I have for you guys is the Ace of Athens, which is Ace of Swords. So Ace of Swords, tells about opportunity, tells about getting a breakthrough. So for a lot of people, because harvest card also tells me when you make a harvest, right? So you have to go and you have to sell that harvest, which means a lot of you people might also be in a process of negotiation in regards to something. For some of you, if you are looking for a new job, harvest also tells me that you are full of aspiration, you're full of motivation to go out and start looking for a job. You might bump into an HR person, or you might bump into your new boss, who could actually be this emotionless lady, who's not giving you a lot of emotions, is not giving you a lot of ideas in terms of what could happen, what can happen. But at the end of the day, you are going to make through, you are going to do it. And this particular breakthrough is going to come within a week to 10 days. So by the 10th of Feb, you can actually imagine, for some of you, you can actually get a breakthrough in terms of your job. So if you are applying for a new job, I see you getting a breakthrough. If you are writing for a thesis, if you are writing something, you're working on a project or something, you can expect a breakthrough in that project, by like 10th or like 15th of Feb. The next card I have for you guys is the Three of Athens. So I don't know, for some reason this card tells me, despite getting the breakthrough that you need, you guys are going through, a hard time. It's just like, in comparison to, the five cards, three of them, the energy here we are getting is of swords, and swords is all about intellect. It's all about, mental tension. So a lot of you Aries people, sun, moon, or rising, I would be very specific about moon people, because I've read a couple of charts and I can see what's going on. um some You are under stress, I understand it. Something is not making you very happy, you're not very happy about the outcome of what is about to happen. But don't worry, I don't see it going bad. It's just that maybe the initial few months of 2021 are going to be a little harder than usual, especially in terms of your career, in terms of your profession. But overall, things are going to be great. The next card I have for you is the Knight of Pentacles. See, I told you it's not going to be bad. It's just that the start you are expecting, the movement that you are expecting is going to come. But because the Knight of Pentacles has show up, it is going to come very slowly. So the pace, because Aries are used to very quick pace. They are like fiery sign. They're impulsive, they want everything to happen very quickly. I do not see that quickness in your reading, especially for here. The only quickness I see is with the Eight of Wands, where you'll be able to complete the tasks that has been assigned to you. While the rest of the month, things are going to move comparatively slower. But towards the end of the month, early March, mid March, you're actually going to start seeing the fruits of all the labor and all the stress. So this stress will eventually go away. But I don't think a lot of you guys would be spending, you'll be able to have a lot of focus on Valentine's this month. From Monology Oracle, the card I have for you is a win-win outcome is forecasted. So of course, there is going to be a win-win forecast. And also, you have Libra showing up. And Libra is all about balancing a situation. So in this particular situation, because a lot of swords have shown up, you really need to balance your own emotions with your own intellect. So if you are not communicating, it would be advised that you communicate, you put forward whatever you think in front of other people. The next card I have for you is a time for healing. So a lot of you guys have to focus on your healing. You have to give yourself the break, because you are going to be pretty stressed, you are going to have a very hectic month. So it is going to happen. A lot of you are going to be involved in negotiating, in dealing, and taking care of a lot of things, especially in terms of your finances. The movement of finances is very slow. If you do get a promotion, if you do get an increase, or if you make extra money in the start of the month, well, be happy about it, because the next set of money that you are going to get, it's going to come comparatively late because of the Knight of Pentacles. But when it comes, it's going to be quite significant. So let me know if this reading resonates, and I'll see you in the next reading.